So if you're looking for a perfect passport or driving license makeup tutorial, then this video is perfectly for you. Let's dive into the video immediately. Remember that first off, you need to pack your hair. Go in with your moisturizer. So I'm using this my moisturizer from Wicon. Doesn't matter the brand of moisturizer you have. The most important thing, just don't forget to moisturize your face. So I have cleaned my face already. All you need to do is to apply your moisturizer down. Go with your, it depends on how you do your brows, but this is how I like to do mine. Okay, so I use my brush to tap in the black and start using it to brush my brows up. So it depends on how you want to do it. If you want, you can draw it, but if you're in a hurry, you don't need drawing. All you need to is just to fill in the gaps. I want to use this my foundation color, okay, to arrange it down. So I'm going to put a little amount here. It's from Zorea and this is Oval Smudge. You can use any concealer of your choice, but I like to go with my this thing. I saw that the foundation is too dark, so I'm going back to my concealer to use my concealer to apply that. Sorry for the inconvenience, but I thought because I don't want something too bright, but looking at the ones that I have already done is too bright. So it depends on your color, your shade, it depends on your preference, but hey, this is how you do that. You see how I'm doing it right now. It looks much better. One thing you shouldn't forget is that passport and documents are sometimes it's always a lifetime or many years to do, so you need to look your best. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead with my foundation. So this my foundation is from Wicon, so you can use any brand of your choice. Always make sure that you blend very well, and also look at your skin to know the kind of skin type you have. If you have an acne type, or if you have no acne skin, so that it will help you to know the quantity of makeup you are going to apply in your face. After set and done, I'll go ahead with my concealer like I used before. So this is also from Wicon. I'm going to use it to apply under my eye corner. Okay, so I'll start by doing it like this and doing it like this way. Remember, you don't need to apply too much on it. Then I'll put in the center of my nose and also here. You see how I'm doing it. Make sure that it's not much so that it will be easy to blend. And I'll also put here. So I'll start by blending this one. Before doing makeup, please make sure that you are packing your hair very well. Like this, my own is absolutely giving me stress. So for the corner of your eyes, let me show you how you're going to blend it. So you start by blending it. If you're a brush person, you can also use brush, but be careful with your eyes. Okay, you see how I blend that? Did you see it? It wasn't too much, but it's for the process. If you see that it's not concealing the way you want, you can as well go ahead and apply a bit more concealer on top, but not too much. Okay, just to give you that full coverage. If you see that the one you put before is not giving you full coverage, then you are allowed, you are free to add a bit more, just like I did, just like this, and you're good. So the next thing you do is to use your powder, setting powder. So I'm going to be using this my setting powder from Freedom Cosmetics. So you do it like this. You just make sure that you're tapping. Don't just press, but also push it inside your skin. You guys won't know that I've already applied powder over here. You won't know, because that is why I said dab, because if you dab, it will not look somehow. Just look at this one now, and this one too. So when you are putting over this side, make sure that you are putting it in the line where you applied your powder, okay, where you apply the foundation, so that you won't miss out the line. And also don't forget your forehead where you also apply the concealer. Rate it. We're not done yet, but just rate it. So for my eyebrow, I'm going to use this my Mange. So this is in the eyebrow brush or something like that for my eyeshadow. Okay, so my eyeshadow, I'm gonna go for a darker shade, but I also have, which is this one here, but I'm just like, I want to wear this shade here, so let me apply this shade first. Okay, I'll apply it up here. Just put darker shade here. Okay, make sure you smudge both dark shade. So when you are doing that, please make sure that it doesn't pass that line. So I'm going to use my eyeliner. This is my Kajal eyeliner. So I'm going to apply a bit of it here. Okay, then I'll use my brush to smudge that. Smudge it by using your blush to blend it. That is if you don't have black eyeshadow in your palette. I also have smoky black shadows. Okay, smoky shadows, something like that. So you see how I smudge that? If you apply liner in your thing, make sure you also smudge it, because it's very, very important. You smudge and make sure that it doesn't pass the line you used before. Don't forget to raise your eyelashes up. That is if you have anyone. This is my Karité mascara. Okay, you use your mascara, whichever mascara you have, and raise your lashes, your natural lashes up, and give it a volume. You know, in passports you don't fix lashes, and some passports, if you go and fix lashes, they will ask you to remove your lashes. So to avoid such embarrassment or such embarrassing hour or time, you just apply your mascara. When you raise your eyelashes up, it helps the mascara to know the direct places and how to volumize your this. I didn't know that I have, wow, I didn't know that I have this natural lashes like this, and I'm still facing the artificial one. I'm so much in love with the artificial one though. In the final one, this is time to dust. You need to dust, and when you're dusting, make sure you blend, because that is too cakey. You blend as you dust, you see. So now I think is the perfect time to apply your contour if you haven't. So to apply your contour, you go like this. No, the blending is okay. I think I applied too much. What do you guys think? No, it's not much though. See how I'm using the same brush, but when you are using it, due to its contour, it won't be that much, you guessed. So it won't be that much because it's contour. But if it wasn't contour, it would be too much. You don't need that too much contour in your face. But because you're a black woman, depending on your color, skin type, or skin type, you apply contour according to your skin type. Last but not the least is highlight. Don't apply highlight in a big quantity, because a tiny of it goes a long way. Okay, so you just apply make sure you apply with your brain, just like that. Okay, don't do it too much so that you don't end up spoiling everything you have done. One thing about highlight is that if you mistake, it will destroy what you have been doing since. So with my finger, it's not a sin to use your hand and do something. So I'm going to tap this one here. I'll tap this one. And of course for your lips, I'll be going in with this is Deborah lip gloss, a lipstick, Deborah lipstick. And this is in shade, I don't know if you guys can see the shade right there. Shade what? 14 and Rosette or Extra, whatever. So let me use this as my lip liner. What do you guys think if this is a lip liner? It's not good. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I will apply a bit of it on the top of my lip. Okay, so this, yeah, it's good like this. Just a small, so that I'll use my hand and finalize the rest. But hey, be careful when you are doing it. Apply in a small quantity because you're still going to use gloss on top. So for my gloss, I'm going to use this Essence Volume Gloss. Okay, so this is the gloss that I've been rocking. It's even 2, and yeah, so this is the one. This is a Power of Nude. All right, so this one is another one, and yeah, is another one. I actually got them 2 here. I got it 2 different shade, but this is my favorite. This one is also my favorite, but not like this one. So this one is a Purple Rain, okay, whereas this one is a Power of Nude. So I think my love for this one is because it's a nude. This one particularly is nude. So I'm going to, this one I have shining on top, while this one doesn't have shining on top. So I'm going to apply this thing. Like guys, rate this, just rate it, just rate this makeup. What do you guys think? No filter. So I'm gonna finish up the rest of my hair, then I'll come back and show you guys the final look. So guys, this is how our face came out looking like. Okay, so when it comes to your hair in Passport, I won't tell you the kind of hair you're going to wear. Why? Because you need to show your 2 ears, so you need to pack your hair. All right, you need to pack ponytail, or if it depends on your hair, but you need to pack because your 2 ears need to be shown. I just want to show you what you can actually look like without packing a lot of makeup on your face or wondering, I wish I did a little touch up to do my Passport. So you can actually look like this in your Passport. Make sure that your 2 ears are showing, like I said earlier, and yeah, you have your amazing, wonderful Passport looking in your document or whatever you are using it for, whether for your driving license or your document or your Passport. So whatever you want to use the picture to do, so it will be looking amazingly well. So, and yeah, that's basically all. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. So if you do, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, all right, and of course turn on the notification bell for more videos from Ada Chini, Ada Beke, Ada Baby, Ada Ge, Ada Mommy, Ada Ne, Ada Ma, Ada Hobne. So yeah, and of course we'll see you, or I will see you guys in my next one. Remain blessed and have an amazing day. Bye guys.